Welcome. We are here to assist with your buying and selling needs. Have questions or would like to schedule a personal tour? Give us a call today at 706-863-1775. Single-story home in top-selling Hayne Station at Fort Gordon, Georgia. Split floor plan has 4 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms plus a fully fenced backyard. The foyer has hardwood flooring and leads to a huge open great room. The kitchen is a cozy design with granite countertops, stained cabinets, vinyl tile flooring and black/stainless steel appliances, to include smooth top range, dishwasher, refrigerator and built-in microwave with vent hood. Kitchen also offers a large granite countertop peninsula. Large dining room with picture window and French door leading to backyard. Owner suite features a walk-in closet and private bathroom with double sink, cultured marble countertop, vanity, garden tub and separate standing shower. Bedroom 2, 3 and 4 are spacious with large closets. Second full bathroom and hallway has double sink, cultured marble, vanity and shower/tub combination. Laundry room has additional cabinet and washer/dryer appliances included. Blinds throughout home, ceiling fans in all bedrooms and great room and security system control pad. Automatic sprinklers and sod in front and backyard. Fully fenced backyard. Resort style community pool and pavilion. Street